Alright, so my hunt for today is over. I got my café con leche with extra sugar. And I got my tostada. Let me tell you about a tostada in case you don't know. This is a thing that the Cubans invented. And all the Cubans did was take some some Cuban bread, put a ton of butter on it, and press it. And that's it. Oh, so good though. Man, that's good. So, that's how we roll in Miami. I'm sure they make them in other places too. But this is a staple of breakfast down here in Miami. I also got some croquetas de jamón and a pastelito de carne. Woo-woo. So that's my breakfast of champions. It's not really good for you. I mean, it tastes good, but it's not healthy. Hold on. My God, it's so good. I don't want to talk with my mouth full, so hold on. I really enjoy doing YouTube, and I really enjoy like the people that I've met, man. It's so cool because no matter where we're from, we all do the same thing. We're all toy collectors. We're all into different things, and we're all grown up. I'm an old man, but you know, everybody's pretty much over 21 and doing their thing, and they're responsible adults, and they're just into this toy collecting thing, and it's pretty awesome because we all have that in common. But enough of my talk. I'm gonna enjoy my tostada and my café con leche and my croqueta and my pastelitos. You know what's up, baby. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome, and I really appreciate everybody that has connected with me on YouTube. You know, and I'm gonna keep doing this, man. I'm gonna keep doing it because it's pretty cool. Peace out, everybody. Listen, and if you guys come down to Miami, first off, hit me up. I'd love to go pop hunting or Star Wars hunting or whatever with you. And second off, let me know, because if you never had a tostada and a café con leche the Cuban way, holla at me. I will take you wherever you want to go, and we'll get all that good stuff popping. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, peace out. I think this might be a little crooked. Whatever. It's all good. Peace out, guys.